Pistol red beat.
Let's get it, man. Trey 5, LIOTB. You know, man, they know just how I'm rockin', Man, there's no talking, nah. I put him in the coffin, ayy. Fuck nigga wanna talk shit, man, they know just how I'm rockin'. Up that beam and get the blowin', there's no talking. Man down on the scene, my 40 on squeeze, I put him in the coffin. I aim at your face, I ain't blowin' at your waist, man, there's no talking. Fuck nigga wanna talk shit, man, they know just how I'm rockin'. Up that beam and get the blowin', there's no talking. Man down on the scene, my 40 on squeeze, I put him in the coffin. I aim at your face, I ain't blowin' at your waist, man, there's no talking. Fuck nigga wanna talk shit, man, they know just how I'm rockin'. Bitch, I'm King Reek, I got them Glocks, I got them choppers. I'm flat, but I'm on a triple stack, I love them yoppers. My niggas told gas, say them combat, we'll send them to the doctor. Off my lane, shoot the fuck, nigga brain, smoke a dope to the face. I just beat a fucking case, beat the gas, fuck the chest, put these off niggas' face. They was all in our face, when the real can relate, I put food on their plate. If they get it as a taste, it's a slap in their face. LIE fuck the J. See these out niggas be fake. In my lane, but they can't even race. Bitch speeding at my own pace. Can't fuck around with no snakes. Can't fuck around with no bitch niggas. No snitch niggas, I just dish niggas. Got the 40 off in that clip, nigga. Act dumb to your body getting flipped, nigga. Let's get fuck nigga wanna talk shit, man. They know just how I'm rockin'. Up that beam and get the blowin'. There's no talking. Man down on the scene, my 40 on squeeze, I put him in the coffin. I aim at your face, I ain't blowing at your waist, man, there's no talking. Fuck nigga wanna talk shit, man, they know just how I'm rockin'. Up that beam and get the blowin', there's no talking. Man down on the scene, my 40 on squeeze, I put him in the coffin. I aim at your face, I ain't blowing at your waist, man, there's no talking.
Rappers, man, they suck at rapping. I be drilling thoughts till they fucking matching. Shout out my nigga Reek, he a fucking savage. Pull up on the opposite 30, let him have it. Bitch, I'm LIOTB, I can take a whip and make her do the team. Then I break the bitch and tell her BYE. I don't trust the bitch who tryna lay on me. She just bite to the end, then I try and leave. Goofy third nigga tryna fight for me to get a pussy poke. That's the sight to see. My niggas laugh for me, the team half for free and we reply with heat. If a goofy running, bro, apply to me. Ain't no ducking laughing, we be bucking clapping. If you stuck in traffic, for them always back. I just lost a brother, now it's us for ratchet. Turn your baby boy into a clucking back. I bust your ass if I don't trust your ass. Leave dust and ass, then it's back to trapping. Ain't no ducking cash, it comes too fucking fast. Like your main chick, I just fucking pass her. I can't wife for her, she too fucking average. She just give me neck, I never text her ass.
Fuck nigga wanna talk shit, man, they know just how I'm rockin'. Up that beam and get the blowin', there's no talking. Man down on the scene, my 40 on squeeze, I put him in the coffin. I aim at your face, I ain't blowin' at your waist, man, there's no talking. Fuck nigga wanna talk shit, man, they know just how I'm rockin'. Up that beam and get the blowin', there's no talking. Man down on the scene, my 40 on squeeze, I put him in the coffin. I aim at your face, I ain't blowin' at your waist, man, there's no talking.